Have you ever come across a post in Instagram that asked you to comment a specific word like guide? And when you did that, you got an instant message inside your inbox? Now, in this video, I'm going to take you through how you can automate communication within your Instagram to grow your business. So, this is Manychat. I want to introduce you to Manychat. It's free to get started. And then you can be able to automate your communication in Instagram, WhatsApp, TikTok, and Messenger. So for today, I'm going to show you how you can automate your business or your communication to grow your business inside Instagram. And this is the kind of messaging that will be happening inside your Instagram inbox. So when someone comments inside or in your post in Instagram, you are going to automatically be able to send them such a message. Hey, here is that ebook you requested. Grab your guide, and this will be a link. Okay, so let's get started. Now, you'll go into manychat.com, or you can go to the link at the description, and then you're going to sign in. It's free to sign in, and once you sign in, you are going to link it with your Facebook page. Okay, you're going to sign in. You can sign in using Facebook, Google, Telegram, or even Apple. Okay, and then once you do that, you should be able to link it with Facebook. Now, once you sign in and you connect it with your Facebook, and by the way, it can even be a Facebook profile, you're able to add more than one account. As you can see here, I already have contacts here. So I have 16 contacts. This is from people commenting a specific word, and I'm able to send them a link or a download where now I can be able to chat with them later or send them to a landing page that can convert them into a buying customer. This is a dashboard. This is the dashboard home. This is where you access the contacts. This is the automation. And this is live chats. So if I want to create a new automation, I'll go there to automation, and then I'll create new automation. Then you will come here and say, of course, this is the most common one, auto DM link from comments. So some features are paid for the upgraded Manychat account, but the free one is good to get started. Okay, so then you click on start from scratch because you want to build on yourself. So this is the new trigger. This is when an event happens, and that is when you start communication or the automation starts. And the new trigger will happen when someone comments a specific word. Okay, so user comments on your post or reel. They can also comment on stories or Instagram message. So we're going to go for comment in our posts or reel. And then you're able to share, to choose which one you want. If someone comments on this post, so here you're supposed to enter specific keywords or what you expect people to comment. For example, comment the word guide. You can add blueprint. So anything that you want people to comment or what you will tell them to comment. Okay, that's just an example. So if anyone comments on guide, blueprint, show me, you can also exclude some keywords. If someone says hi, so don't send an automated message. Someone says hello, don't send an automated message. Then you can set up replies. You can do random replies, done for you, info in your page, send the link, check your inbox. For example, yeah, these are good examples, but you can always edit them to your liking. So that's a basic automation. Let's look at another one. The next automation is where people click on your sent you a specific message, for example, a specific word. So what will happen if you do a post or a reel and ask people to DM you a specific word, then they will get a text immediately responding to their message. So this, you will choose user sends a message. This is very simple automation. So then select detect specific words in a message. Then come here and select message is, right? Choose that, and then specific keyword. So if someone sends you a message like a word blueprint, you can misspell this, blueprint. Someone says ebook. Someone sends a message guide, then they will be able to get the next message from you. So when that happens, let's first save this. So when that happens, you're going to send them this message. Say, hi, thank you for your message. Here is your guide. And then add button, then you can link, you can put a link there that will send them to the download or to your landing page or to your sales page. Simple. Now, I want to share with you how you can fasten this and have very professional automations by using these templates. Now, this is an example of a template that we have. This is for if you want to sell courses. So this is a communication that takes the audience or the prospect all the way to a point of making a purchase or engaging further with you. So what will happen is you'll be able to access this through Canva. Just go ahead and click on save. Now, I've already loaded the automation, the template inside my Manychat. So when someone comments a specific word, the trigger will start. So they're going to get a message saying, thank you for showing interest, and that they will have a link for them to learn more. And then what will happen? Anyone who gets this message or downloads, goes ahead and clicks on the learn more, 50% of them will get this message. Another 50% will get that message. And then we shall wait for about 30 minutes, and then we're going to send them this message. And this message, the final one, is to entice them and to make them to create limitation so that they can make quick decision to make a purchase, or maybe join your community, join your course, download more, purchase from you, yeah. Now these automations are in different niches. As you can see, they cover all niches, and of course you can be able to edit them to suit your niche. All right. So apart from this, you also get to access Instagram training, a 45-minute training. You also access done for you reels, stories, carousel posts, and a lot of guides on TikTok, Facebook marketing, Instagram ads. It's loads and loads of content and loads of learning that will help you grow your business online. I'll see you guys in the next one.